Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Howard Webb will be the chief of the PGMOL, that's the Premier League Games Official Board Limited. So that organization now they in charge of referees. If referee do error, and that organization now go come and can speak on their behalf, say okay, like this and like this supposed to be, make una know vex. So Howard Webb done summon an emergency meeting with all the referees on Tuesday. Tomorrow, this one a compulsory meeting. Everybody gets there in attendance. And what you want to talk about now, the errors, the VAR errors, where then they make, and maybe some other errors that they make on the field of play. But the issue be say the VAR is supposed to correct any error made on the field of play to make sure say such errors no go happen. I don't go do research on that Brentford, that Brighton goal you get. The referee waiting for the VAR room, he draw VAR line on another player. Can't leave the player with the offside, supposed to draw the VAR line on. That was like they can't cancel Estupinian goal. That was a ridiculous error. But that error no really get high stakes. Unlike the Arsenal error, we can't deny Arsenal 3 points in a title race. That is why Howard Webb is very, very furious. He's very, very angry, because he don't they force now to call Arsenal, call they explain to them, call they apologize, That is a very, very annoying thing, It's very disgraceful, So they don't call all the referees. And say at the same time, people like Kit Hackett, so the former EPL referee, don't urge Howard Webb, say making sack Lee Mason, because for that Arsenal case, now Lee Mason 9 in charge. So say making sack Lee Mason. So now part of the thing we want to discuss for this summit, we will do tomorrow, and all the officials. When they talk about officials, talking about the referees, the assistant referees, the VAR referees, VAR assistant referee, all of them with the VAR room, everybody that is the VAR permanent referee and the officiating referees and assistants. Everybody is expected to attend this meeting, this summit, or whatever you want to call it. They are all supposed to be in attendance, so that Howard Webb will tell their mind. They will come know whether they go sack Lee Mason, because that is error is unforgivable. No, it's not acceptable. So we'll just watch how the meeting will go. Then away from that, so Man City don't beat Aston Villa 3-0, 3-1 rather, yesterday, because I watched the match. I didn't know really, I think under 20 minutes, but I don't lead 2-0. I got off my TV, I go face the do and that one say that one holds law. So the significance of this thing now is say Man City are 3 points behind Arsenal, and at the same time we are meeting on Wednesday. We will play that our match. We'll beg them, say we could postpone so that we will play PSV for Europa League. So now Wednesday, Champions League night, now that day, now we will watch the match, we'll play the match, so we'll see what's going to happen again. So that match is a very, very big match for us, and it's a big match for them. For us, we are hoping on a draw or a win. We can't afford to lose. Them, they are hoping on just winning. They just need to win. They don't afford a draw or a loss. All they need is just to win. And from what happened yesterday, Leal can't get one small knock. Whether the knock will keep them out for the 3 days ago, we remain. Like today until Wednesday, 2 days to come, I never really know, because Pep Guardiola come out for half time. They call the true time. Many people don't speculate say the guy no go play. Even Pep Guardiola said for media conference, call the talk say if Alan no dey fit to start, they will deploy Julian Alvarez. Well, I know that one are mind games, but more they watch whether they go risk him with a knock, because the guy couldn't continue the game, like in clash with Emi Martinez. So we just watch as it go happen, sha. Then Paul Mason said don't come outside, call the talk say for your own opinion, say Arsenal versus Man City match is going to decide the title race. Even though some people they talk say I go decide the title race. How many matches don't play? Maybe 22 matches. How many? Say match is still plenty. We go fit decide the encounter again. So but Baba they talk say you see this match where Arsenal gets with Man City. Like if Arsenal win now, Arsenal will be 6 points ahead of Man City with one outstanding game, and that outstanding game now against Everton. So if we win that outstanding, we don't need 9 points. But anytime make us go lose, we don't equal on points with Man City, and Man City will top the league again. And once they top the league, we always say Man City they like to relinquish that position, even though they will top the league, and we will still get one outstanding match. And the topping the league now, so we did the same points, but just so we'll get one outstanding match. And that outstanding match is still Everton. That match is very, very, very key, and it's going to be played at the Emirates Stadium again. So these are some of the variables which will affect this our title race. So I don't know that I subscribe to the line of thoughts with Paul Mason. We believe say this match, Arsenal versus City, is going to decide the title race. Do you believe that or do you not? Let me know in the comment section. And also Michael Richards will be one of the pundits out there. So back on the talk say see Manchester United winning the league ahead of people like Man City or Arsenal. Say the league is meant for City and Arsenal. I'm not going to give a reason. Because they talk say this Weghorst where Manchester United signed, the guy don't play many matches, and from what research is saying, he has only scored 1 goal. So Babaka talk say as long as Manchester United no get a scoring number 9, they don't have a number 9 that can affect games. Okay, fine, you're not scoring, but at least you should be influential to the way your team play. And the guy know the influential. The main man over there at Manchester United is Rashford, and if Rashford is not playing well, the team is not playing well. So for that reason alone, he's not saying Manchester United as one of those who want to win the title. Even Gary Neville himself can't come as I can't give you own 2 cents. Say Manchester United are not in the running for the title, because when you check out the match they played against Leeds not too long ago, I think they won 3-0, and for that match they rested a lot of players. People like Lisandro Martinez, people like Varane, people like Sancho. From what I was hearing, they don't really play a big role, an integral role in that match. They rested players because they have one eye on their Barcelona match in the Europa League. So for that reason, back on the say they are prioritizing the Europa League over the Premier League, because when you are resting your senior men, your first 11 members for a match, that means you are prioritizing that match over the league. So but people go talk say many games today, because in the past United were out of the title race, but now with the point difference between Arsenal and City, you can say boldly that United are back in the title race. Well, we just say everything will happen, because once we and Man City, sure, Manchester United will pray make Arsenal and Man City just draw, or make Man City beat Arsenal, so that the gap will shrink. Well, let's see how everything goes. I'm also quite here to say Arsenal no will take any more action, because the PGMOL don't come outside, can't apologize. Howard Webb don't apologize to Arsenal, so Arsenal don't listen to the apology. Well, apology accepted. No, nothing if we do now. We can't cry over spilled milk. Don't happen, say don't happen. We don't feel replay the match again, and if we cancel the offside goal. So now we will move on. We are not taking any other action. We're not escalating anything. Just like Brighton also, they've accepted the apology from the PGMOL and they are moving on. And at the same time, we want to. Now, Falari Balogun don't score in 15th goal in the French Ligue 1 and his 16th goal in all competition after 24 games. This guy is hot like fire. I watched the highlights. He just gave one true ball. The guy used pace and power, body check the defender, just give accuracy, fire the shots, can't win, can't score for his team, and the team self will not really score plenty goal, but the focus is on Falari Balogun, who has scored 15 goals in the Ligue 1. He's the highest goal scorer in the French Ligue 1. He's in the running for the Golden Boots. I am very proud of this boy, because nobody expected that to happen. The guy they make waves. That is why people like AC Milan, they scamper, they talk to the one consign now. But I know Arsenal will not easily let him go, because he's one for the future. Whether they will send him on loan again, because remember what happened to Saliba, we sent him out on loan severally until he became more mature. Maybe now what we will do with Falari Balogun, I can't really say for now. Well, just keep your fingers crossed and let's keep watching. Our Christian Nogard will be one of the players of Brentford. Don't come as I call it, explain their game plan, the tactics where they use collect points for Arsenal. So they can't talk say what they don't discuss already now, make them double down on people like Martinelli, people like Saka, and people like Odegaard, because they don't say if we double down on these guys and shut them out, they will not be able to do anything, especially Saka and Martinelli. In talk I've seen a waiting them plan. Say that is why when you see if one person on the mark Saka, they will call their member, come, because 1v1 against maybe Saka will lick you like a pot of soap, or maybe 1v1 against Martinelli. That is why Martinelli kind of struggle in the past few games, because people are doubling up on him. People don't understand say Arsenal is a very good side. If you they careful, if they play Arsenal, they need to play ugly. They need to play your normal game, because if you play your normal game, you go collect. That is one of the things we make people going to respect Arsenal, and to double down on people like Saka, Martinelli, Odegaard. He's in a strong battle, because when Nagas will do overlap, Nagas will come back. UAB striker, you will come back, can't try to double down on the whole. It is what it is, shall. Don't feel cry over spilled milk. Everybody don't identify how to play against us. Even Granny Xhaka self can't come outside for the media setting. We back on the talk say teams now they hope say if they play against us, then they play their normal football. They use long balls, and when they play the long balls, they hope that their striker will nod it down and pray that they get the second balls. That's what teams are playing. Teams are playing very deep against us, they're going to hope on just long balls. That is just it, you get, and set pieces. That's just what teams are hoping on now, and it is working for them. So them now don't they train for training to see how they will take counter all these things. They train against long ball because now what it teams they launch against the Arsenal defense. And if you check our last 3 games, we don't concede back to back headers. We know they happen before, you get, because before I fit beat my chest, say if you play 50 corner against Arsenal, I no go score one. But now I'm not gonna know what's in the happen. Maybe we are playing against tall players, you get, maybe that's why they can't bully us somehow. Well, coach just hope say everything will be better. Like Shaka dey talk say, look, we've come out our focus on Man City, focus on ourselves, you get. You have no business with them. Play your own game and play to the best of your ability and make sure you collect all your 3 points. At the same time, because they talk about the VAR, you get, the VAR error we VAR do. Come talk say, well, it is unfortunate, say it don't happen. Gary Lineker will be one of the pundits out there also. Don't come and say they talk say in support Arteta for which Arteta they talk about the VAR, say the VAR scatter the game. You can say that goal where Ivan Toney scored, so it's supposed to be offside. Say we support Arteta 110%, you get, because the Athletic post that thing, post the headline, talks say Arteta talks in an offside. Instead come like whether I retweeting, I don't know, but it come put your own response, say yes, he's right, say Arteta is right. Like almost all the pundits why I know they talk about the same thing. Everybody's blasting the VAR. They call for Lee Mason, so made them sack up. That is why the Pidgin MOL they do the meeting. So we'll just see what the meeting will bet. Then for the match we'll go play against Man City. So I can't really say we'll start. Now this one say Martinelli I don't know whether the guy don't lose form. I've been ashamed that because they gang up on him. I don't know. Because against Man City there will be spaces. Man City will come and attack. Man City no get time to call the double down on you or say they want to impose their own style of play on you. We say we want to impose our style of play on them. So how is it going to be? Who are we starting? Are we starting Trossard? Are we starting Martinelli? So what's not think? Well, some people on the talk say but then bench Martinelli for a very long time. Arteta say they keep faith on the first 11. So I don't know. This time we say Trossard score. You get rather get 8 goals for the EPL now. The guy know how to score in left and right. Same ferocity. You get good bombing for the left and right. So who are we going to do? Because that match is going to be an exciting match to watch. It's going to be end-to-end stuff. We've got 2 teams that want to win. Nobody wants to draw. Even though Arsenal, if they draw, we'll see they're okay. At least they don't lose. But what did everybody mind now? Straight away. If we win, it's a big statement. If they themselves win, a very big statement again. Because when you look the cup match we play, it was very tight. And I just need an Ake, another and go within weak foot. And I can settle everything. But this time around, it's going to be somehow. And their own players with the injury, don't they come back? Phil Foden is back. People like Diaz is back. Laporte they there. So I don't know how it will be. That match, not die. So who is this to make it start? Martinelli, Trossard. Who will start for you? So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.